explore, learn, transform. Kotoba camp.
Couple.
Couple.
To join or connect two things together, to link. Two people or things of the same sort considered together.
连接、结合、一对、一组。
Physicists study how electromagnetic fields couple with charged particles in plasma dynamics. Chemical reactions often couple endothermic and exothermic processes to maintain equilibrium.
Quantum entanglement demonstrates how particles can couple across vast distances.
Neural networks in the brain couple electrical and chemical signals for information processing.
Evolutionary biologists examine how species couple their life cycles with environmental changes.
Coupling.
Coupling.
The coupling of economic and environmental factors influences sustainable development policies. Coupled.
Coupled. The coupled oscillators demonstrated synchronized motion in the physics experiment.
Connect, join, link, unite.
连接、结合、连结、统一。
Separate, disconnect, detach, divide.
分离、断开、分开、分割。
Course.
Course.
A direction or route taken, a series of lectures or lessons. To move swiftly in a specified direction.
路线、进程、课程、讲座、流动、奔跑。
The river's course has shifted significantly due to geological processes over millennia. Natural selection has shaped the evolutionary course of species adaptation to environmental changes.
Neurotransmitters course through neural pathways, enabling complex cognitive processes.
The course of tectonic plate movement has profound implications for earthquake prediction.
Genetic mutations can dramatically alter the course of cellular development.
Coursing.
Coursing.
Blood coursing through arteries delivers essential nutrients to body tissues. Coursed.
Coursed. The carefully coursed experiment yielded consistent results across multiple trials.
Path, route, direction, trajectory.
路径、路线、方向、轨迹。
Detour, deviation, digression, wandering.
绕道、偏离、离题、漫游。
Court.
Court.
A place where legal matters are decided, an enclosed area or space. To seek to win or attract.
法院、法庭、庭院、宫廷，追求、吸引。
The Supreme Court's constitutional interpretation established a landmark precedent in jurisprudence. Anthropological studies reveal diverse systems of courts and conflict resolution across cultures.
Archaeological evidence suggests ancient civilizations maintained sophisticated court systems.
Legal scholars examine how courts balance individual rights with societal interests.
The court's ruling on environmental regulations has significant implications for climate policy.
Courtly.
Courtly.
The courtly traditions of medieval Europe influenced diplomatic relations. Courthouse.
Courthouse. The historic courthouse represents the evolution of the American judicial system.
Tribunal, judiciary, bench, forum.
法庭、司法机构、法官席位、论坛。
Informal, arbitrary, unofficial, irregular.
非正式的、专断的、非官方的、不规则的。
Craft.
Craft.
Skill in making things by hand, an occupation requiring special skill. To make or construct something skillfully.
工艺、手艺、专业技能、精心制作、巧妙的构建。
Archaeological evidence reveals sophisticated craft production techniques in ancient civilizations. Material analysis of artifacts provides insights into traditional craft techniques and technological innovation.
The integration of digital technology has transformed traditional craft practices in contemporary art.
Anthropologists study how craft traditions reflect cultural identity and social organization.
Engineering principles often derive from ancient craft knowledge and experimental practices.
Craftsman.
A craftsman.
Medieval craftsmen developed specialized techniques for cathedral construction. Craftsmanship.
Craftsmanship. The exceptional craftsmanship of these artifacts demonstrates advanced metallurgical knowledge.
Artistry, expertise, skill, workmanship.
艺术性、专业知识、技能、工艺。
Clumsiness, incompetence, ineptitude, amateurism.
笨拙、无能、不熟练、业余性。
Credit.
Credit.
Recognition for achievement, belief or trust in someone's ability. To attribute or assign recognition for an achievement.
信用、功劳、荣誉、信任、归功于认可。
Scientific publications must properly credit all contributors to maintain academic integrity. The research team received credit for their groundbreaking discovery in quantum physics.
Economists analyze how credit systems influence global financial markets.
Scholars must credit original sources when building upon previous research findings.
The institution's reputation earned them credit in the academic community.
Creditable.
Creditable.
Their creditable research methodology set new standards in the field. Credibility.
Credibility. The study's credibility depends on its rigorous experimental design.
Acknowledge, recognize, attribute, honor.
承认、认可、归因、尊重。
Discredit, doubt, distrust, reject.
怀疑、不信任、不信赖、拒绝。
Crew.
Crew.
A group of people working together on a specific task or mission. To work as a member of a crew.
工作团队、专业人员，担任团队成员。
The archaeological crew carefully documented artifacts at the ancient settlement site. The expedition crew collected valuable data about marine ecosystems in the Arctic region.
Space station crew members conduct numerous microgravity experiments.
The field research crew documented the migration patterns of endangered species.
The specialized crew maintained precise protocols throughout the laboratory procedures.
Crewmate.
Crewmate.
Each crewmate had specific responsibilities in the deep-sea exploration mission. Crewman.
Crewman. The crewman monitored atmospheric conditions during the high-altitude research flight.
Team, staff, personnel, workforce.
团队、职员、人员、劳动力。
Individual, solo, lone, single.
个人、单独、独自、单一。
Culture.
Culture.
The customs, arts, beliefs, and social institutions of a particular group or society. To grow microorganisms in a controlled environment.
文化、文明、习俗、培养、栽培。
Ancient pottery fragments reveal significant insights into Bronze Age cultural practices. DNA analysis of prehistoric remains provides evidence of cultural exchange among ancient civilizations.
Musical instruments found in burial sites indicate sophisticated cultural development.
Anthropological findings suggest cultural adaptations to environmental changes.
Language diversity reflects the rich cultural heritage of indigenous communities.
Cultural.
Cultural
differences influence cognitive processing and decision-making patterns. Cultured.
Cultured cells provide valuable insights into biological processes.
Civilization, heritage, tradition, customs.
文明、遗产、传统、习俗。
Barbarism, ignorance, savagery, primitiveness.
野蛮、无知、蛮横、原始。
Current. A flow of water, air, or electricity in a particular direction, belonging to the present time, happening now.
水流、气流、电流，现今的、当前的。
Ocean currents significantly influence global climate patterns. Magnetic fields affect the behavior of electrical currents in plasma physics.
Air currents transport essential nutrients across terrestrial ecosystems.
Technological innovation shapes current educational methodologies.
Marine biologists study how ocean currents impact species distribution.
Currency. Digital currency systems transform traditional economic transactions. Currently.
Scientists currently investigate quantum computing applications.
Present, existing, ongoing, contemporary.
现在的、存在的、持续的、当代的。
Past, former, outdated, obsolete.
过去的、从前的、过时的、废弃的。
Curve. A line that bends continuously and smoothly without angles. To move or cause to move in a curved path.
曲线、弧线、弯曲、呈曲线。
Statistical analysis revealed a bell curve distribution in population genetics. The growth curve of bacterial colonies follows a sigmoid pattern.
Astronomical observations track the curved path of celestial bodies.
Mathematical models demonstrate how light curves around massive objects.
Economic indicators often follow cyclical curves in market analysis.
Curvature. Spacetime curvature explains gravitational effects in Einstein's theory. Curved.
The curved architecture of ancient amphitheaters enhanced acoustic properties.
Bend, arc, twist, spiral.
弯曲、弧形、扭转、螺旋。
Straight, linear, direct, flat.
直线的、线性的、直接的、平坦的。
Care. Serious attention, concern, or consideration. To feel concern or interest, to look after someone or something.
关心、照顾、关怀、照料。
Proper dental care prevents periodontal diseases and maintains oral health. Quality health care requires both technical expertise and emotional intelligence.
Environmental care involves sustainable resource management practices.
Pediatric care specialists emphasize early childhood development monitoring.
Archaeological artifacts require careful preservation techniques.
Careful. Careful analysis of genetic markers reveals evolutionary relationships. Caregiver.
Caregiver. Professional caregivers implement therapeutic interventions for elderly patients.
Attention, concern, protection, supervision.
注意、关心、保护、监督。
Neglect, disregard, indifference, carelessness.
忽视、漠视、冷漠、粗心。
Well done! Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step.